What's up everybody, this is Dave Pereira bringing you the part 3 of Chevy Equinox build. Well, we got most of the components, not the body parts, it's going to be in the next video. We got the most internal mechanical body parts. Well, I use this guy to get all the parts. Look at him in the mud pit. Well, we got the wheel, the whole frame section, and we got the knee assembly. As you guys can see here, I didn't get the video done, but here's are the pictures of the parts in the truck. Well, my guy is removing the knee assembly and putting the used knee assembly to the Equinox. Well, sadly, it turned out to be we need to change the whole cradle. So guess what? We have to go and get the whole cradle. Well, I being an idiot, I pick this guy to get it done. Well guys, like you guys saw, the early picture has just a cradle. But when I went there, they gave me the whole cradle with the two assemblies. And I being an idiot, I did drive the car, not the truck. So I didn't have the space to put the whole cradle with the two assemblies. Well, if I drove the truck, I should have had two knee assemblies. Anyhow, so he changed the cradle and the car drives straight. And car means this guy. So everything looks fine. So the mechanical wise, the car looks perfect. It drives straight, it looks good and all that. But we need the whole body parts. And guess what? While I'm at work, this guy shows up. Well, look at, so I was out of town and all that, so I had one of my friends to pick up the parts and drop it at the body shop. Well, my body shop dude fixed cars really fast and really good. So within a couple of days, he did his magics and look at this. So everything is complete. Done. Now out to the paint. Let's go check it. Like you guys saw earlier, it's out to the paint booth and it's going to be done. On part 3, I'll show you the final result and go through everything what we did step by step. And this is Dave Pereira. I'm signing out and I'll see you guys on my next video. If you guys want to see more, which is my next rebuild going to be the Dodge Journey. It's not going to be a journey, it's going to be a Jeep Compass. Hit the subscribe button and smash that bell. This is Dave Pereira signing out. I see you guys next time on the part 4 of Chevy Equinox Rebuild.